Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase a YouTube TV, and it is pretty easy to do. This one will work on both mobile devices and Windows computer or any device that has a browser. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Alright, once you're in here, type in tv.youtube.com. Alright, once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Alright, once you're in here, just go ahead and make sure to sign in. Right here at the top right, click on it and go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And as you can see here, it looks like you're outside of the United States and YouTube TV is only available in the US. Alright, so basically once you're signed in and you are actually from the US, just go ahead and click on this one right here. Try it for free. Alright, and there's also a limited offers besides it or below it. So go ahead and make use of that if you want to purchase the plan right away. And of course, here are all the channels. All right, as you can see, watch live TV from 100 plus channels. Just go ahead and click on see all channels right here. And you could also enter your zip code right here to see your area's lineup. All right, so basically, once you click on try it for free, you'll be able to try YouTube TV for free. All right, and you may also be asked to confirm your location via your device location's permission, and doing so will make sure you get the correct local networks. And after that, you'll have to customize your membership, review the networks included in your new YouTube TV base plan, and you'll also see the price of your membership. Click next to proceed to the next step. Add any premium networks to your base plan by clicking on the circle next to a network. And you can add any number of premium networks during your trial as well. Now click next when you're satisfied with your selections, then confirm the credit card you'd like to use to pay for your membership, and you won't be able to charge until your trial expires, and you can cancel it anytime. Just click on buy to complete the sign up process and you'll be good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.